I'm back with another big batch of napkins from Vippies Designs. These are mostly Christmas and a lot of them are animals and birdies. You're really going to like these. I also have a bonus project for you, and I've got a bonus DIY project where I'm going to be using this tile. Wait till you see it. It's not hard to do. You're going to absolutely love it. There's a lot going on in this video. I'm even going to show you their very latest vintage napkins. So pretty, perfect for Christmas. If this is all new to you and you're like, what is she doing with all these napkins? I want you to put new down there in comments, and I think once you find out what we do with these napkins, you're not going to want to miss any video. So subscribe to my YouTube channel, Decoupage D.I.Y with Joan-Marie Domino. Give me a thumbs up, share with your friends, and remember, you can also follow me on Facebook and join my group page. And all of these beautiful napkins, they come from Vippies Designs, www.vippies.com. These are the newest napkins, but they've got many, many more on their website. Now, I'm not going to make you wait any longer. Let's take a look at their newest Christmas napkins. We're going to start with this napkin that has a very friendly snowman in there, and he's conversing with some forest animals like the deer, and 3 little birdies are in there. This is going to be the perfect size for today's project. All 4 panels are printed, and you're going to get 2. And before I forget, you're going to see a lot of animals in this group of napkins. Wait till you see. Okay, let's move on to the next one. This is a very elegant napkin with the deer and the blues and the silvers. Really pretty. Love the little snowflakes in there. This is the napkin I'm actually using on today's project. Wait till you see. All 4 panels are printed, and you are going to get 2 of these. So you'll be able to make a lot of the project I'm going to be doing. This one with the cardinals, you know, cardinals have a special meaning to many people, and they're really nice to use around the holidays. Now, these cardinals are little, and if you saw my video where I did the tea lights, this napkin is perfect. I'm going to open it up. Look at all those cardinals. You can do lots and lots of tea lights, and of course, with this, all 4 panels are printed. It's a pretty napkin. Okay, dog lovers, take a look at this napkin covered with all of these little doggies. Let me pick it up so you can see. What do we got here? A corgi, a pug, maybe a Frenchie. I'm not 100% sure what they are, but I can tell you this. Looks like they have ugly Christmas sweaters on, but you know what? They look really cute on them. All 4 panels are printed, and it is a real cutie. Next up, elegant as well, beautiful detailed napkin with the sled and the wagon and the trees, a lot going on. I love that one panel has this gold Merry Christmas, it's like gold foil, and the other one is gold printed. Perfect, I think, for maybe a greeting card. It's really, really nice. Very pretty. Okay, cat lovers, we didn't forget about you. This is a cute little cat, and I'm not sure, but I'm hoping he's not thinking about getting into some mischief with that hanging ornament there on the trees, because, well, cats never do that kind of thing, right? This is pretty. I'm thinking on a tin can, maybe on a glass jar. When you open it, all 4 panels are printed. Now, Vippies brought in something that's a little bit different. This is a very soft print of a forest, and it has some deer in there. And when you open it up, I love when napkins are like this. You're going to see that this scenery goes all the way across the entire napkin. If you like to do signs and you need to have a good background, this is like a perfect napkin for that. You can put a word right over it. This has to be one of my favorite in this group. I love what's going on. It has this really nice buffalo plaid that goes all the way around the border, a little cardinal, and these sleds leaning against the fence. So what are you going to do with this? I would definitely think about doing something like wall art. You can get one of those pictures from the Dollar Tree and do a makeover and use this napkin. It's so pretty. And you know what? You're going to get 2. That's like 8 separate projects. All right, bird lovers, Vippies never forgets about you. They always bring in lots and lots of birds. So we're going to do it for Christmas too. So here's a little birdies, and there's some berries, and I think that's holly. But behind it is also some holly, very muted, printed in gold. And when you open it up, all four panels are printed. This would be perfect for one of those mulberry candles I did. Really pretty. You can put 2 or 3 on each one. Hey, you can give that to a bird lover for Christmas. Beautiful napkin, a little bit different in the colors because there's a little bit of aqua in there. One side has a lot of this silver foil on it, really makes it look sparkly. The other 3 panels are like this. Perfect napkin for jars, for cans. Go into your recycle. You can definitely work with these. Paint the cans white, put this on. It's a simple project, and you'll have something really nice to put around for the holidays. And again, another thing that you can do that is a perfect gift. And look, nothing is cut off. I love when they do that with napkins. Makes it more of a high quality, I think. This is a beautiful napkin too. Oh, well, they're all beautiful. You hear me say that over and over again. This says, joy to the world, but take a look at that deer with the antlers. Boy, that is really fancy. It's all curled, and there's a lot going on in this napkin. There's lots of little flowers and leaves and holly. Really, really pretty. I'm sure you're going to be able to come up with some projects to do with that. And so thankfully, all 4 panels are printed. More animals. This time it's a horse. Do you like horses? Do you know somebody who likes horses? This is a perfect napkin. It's got the white birch trees with the snow, a perfect contrast for that horse. And I was thinking Dollar Tree has those real narrow candles, and because the horse is kind of narrow, this napkin would be perfect. I think also on narrow things like vase and bottles, this would be a really good napkin for that. Really pretty, horse lovers. Don't forget, don't go anywhere. I have this project coming up where I'm going to use this tile, and I have to show you our newest vintage napkin. Here's another napkin that's similar to the one I just showed you with the deer. This one says peace on earth, and a couple birdies on there, a little bit different than the other birds I showed you in the other napkins. Got a nice red border there, and when you open it up, all 4 panels are printed. Next up is, who is this? We all know who that is. This is Rae Dunn, a Rae Dunn napkin, and she has cute little illustrations she puts on her napkins now, and of course her signature printing, Holly Jolly, cute. And when you open it up, with Rae Dunn's, you get 2 panels that are printed. Lots of options with that napkin. A little different, kind of modern looking with that white deer on the red background. Now, Vippies has more deer. If you go to their website and you're looking for something, just do a search. You can look for Christmas, you can look for floral, butterflies, whatever it is you want. It's very simple to find it on their website and see everything they have and to pick out exactly what you want. Like this one, I love all the little snowflakes and the flowers. You open it up and all 4 panels are printed. Another bird one. So many. Are there ever enough bird ones? I don't think so. This one is very cute, but look back there. There's a lot of detail in this napkin, a lot of detail in the birds as well. And all 4 panels are printed. Nice and soft too. Very pretty. Another napkin from one of our favorite designers, Rae Dunn. We love her things. We always know her things. Love the illustration on there of the little card. And Merry Christmas. When you open it up, you've got 2 panels that are printed. Next up is another bird, a little birdie hanging out there on a branch with some berries on it. Nice little background there with some white. I love the berries. I love the bird. A lot of detail in the bird. So let's open this up, and you will see that all 4 panels are printed. And wait a minute. Wait a second. There's 2 different panels on this. This one has 2 birdies on it, and this one has 1. Wow, I didn't even notice that. So what you're going to get is 2. You're going to get 2 of each one. One with the 1 birdie and one with the 2 birdies. Oh, I love when that happens. Well, this napkin is a little bit different. It almost reminds me of prints you might see in old books that tell you what each animal looks like. And when you flip it over, there's also a rabbit. The same thing, lots of detail, a lot of things going on in that napkin. A little bit, definitely a little bit different than the other napkins I've been showing you. So you'll be getting 2 panels with the rabbit on it and 2 with the fox. Here's one just like the smaller napkin, except this one is the bigger size. It's the same thing. It has a beautiful, soft, subdued, a forest picture. And when you open it up, and remember these are 6 panels, you're going to see that the print goes all the way across again. Perfect for a background. If you do things that you need a background print on, that is definitely a good napkin for that. Okay, this is the very last napkin before we move on. This is a vintage Santa Claus. I'm going to say it kind of reminds me of that soda, the one that they use cola to make. Definitely has that kind of look to it. And when you open it up, all 6 panels are printed. If you saw my last haul, you know that Vippies is now selling vintage napkins. Now, they're not napkins that look like they're vintage. They're actually vintage napkins that have made 30, 40, 50 years ago. So they're very, very limited. This is pretty with the Christmas tree and the little gifts underneath. When you open it up, all 4 panels are printed. Beautifully sheer. You don't have to separate any of the layers because it's single ply. It's really soft. Colors are very vivid. I've used these napkins to decoupage with, and I can tell you, colors are really good. You can't really tell until you use them how bright and vibrant the colors are. These are very limited, so if you want them, you have to get them because once they're gone, you're not going to be getting any of more of these in stock. All right, let's move on to our DIY bonus. For this bonus DIY, I'm using a white tile I got from the Home Depot, and because it's smooth, I'm going to give it a quick wipe down with alcohol, let it dry. Next up, I'm going to put on some white chalk paint. I'm using a sponge pouncer. I'm going to apply like this, just a pouncing motion. I love chalk paint on smooth surfaces because it adheres really well. All right, let's put that off to dry. Now we're ready to do coat number 2, and we're going to do it exactly the same way. We're just going to pounce it on. Then we're going to let it dry. Next up is to add our Mod Podge on it. So that's the Mod Podge. You can buy that size at the Dollar Tree. I put mine into little containers like this. So what you want to do is you want to put on a nice thin coat. The only thing I'm going to tell you is make sure you cover the entire thing. Pay a lot of special attention to the edges. Let that dry. Now that it's dry, we're going to go ahead and put on coat number 2, and we're going to do it the same way. And remember, nice thin coat, cover everything, and don't forget the edges, and you want to let that dry. It's dry because we're going to be using the iron-on method. All right, here's the napkin that I chose, very pretty with the deer. I'm only going to need 1 panel, so I'm just going to cut it away, put the other 3 aside. I only use the top printed plies. We're going to take off that back ply. And now we want to just lay it out on the tile the way we want it. Put on a piece of baking parchment, and here's our iron, and we're going to go over the tile. The glue is melting, and the napkin is adhering perfectly. Now, a little heads up, those tiles stay hot for a while, so make sure it cools off before you do anything else. Next up, we're going to remove those excess napkin, and we're just doing that with a fingernail file with a downward stroke. Very, very pretty. Now I want to add some sparkle, so I'm taking some Mod Podge Extreme Glitter, and I'm going to cover the entire surface of the napkin, the deer, the words, everything. Wait till you see how pretty this is. I'm going to hold it up. Look how sparkly. I love that. All right, next up is to do the edges, and I decided just to use a paint pen and go all the way around, and here is a tile that I have completed. Now I'm going to put on some snow. This is the kind I use. You can use any kind of snow that they sell at the hobby stores. It's very thick and pasty, and I'm just applying it where I want. I'm going around the bottom where they would be standing in snow, and then I decided, oh, you know what? I'm going to add a little bit here in the trees. Very three-dimensional. And when you're done, you want to let that dry. Once it's dry, I'm actually going to go in with a gloss sealant. This is Door Clear. I put mine into little containers. And I'm going to go over the entire thing, even the snow. Just going to cover everything, give it lots of protection. All right, now to add a little bit more glitz, I decided, I have these cute little gems. I'm going to put, one here and there in the different snowflakes. Look how pretty that is. How are we going to display this? Well, do you remember when I bought these? They came with an easel. I got these from the Dollar Tree. Now, I didn't like the red color, so I went ahead and I painted it blue. Look at that. That blue matches so well. And there it is, the finished bonus DIY I included in this video. And you got to see all of Vippies' newest Christmas napkins. They were just added onto their website. And remember, they have more Christmas napkins there, as well as many, many others. www.vippies.com. And how do you like this new vintage napkin they just added? So pretty. Make sure you go to their Facebook page too, and you can like and follow them. I love how this came out. This wasn't a difficult project. As a matter of fact, it's perfect for beginners. I have lots and lots of beginner videos on my YouTube channel, Decoupage D.I.Y. with Joan-Marie Domino. You can subscribe, you can give me a thumbs up, share with your friends.